Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can enable and how you can disable keep screen on while viewing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the settings app, then you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, look for screen timeout period and tap on it. Then from here you should see keep screen on while viewing. So as you can see, mine is currently turned on, which means that as long as I'm looking at my phone screen, then the screen won't turn off, even if I have a screen timeout period. But if I turn that off, then when I stop looking at my screen and I have a screen timeout period of 15 seconds, my screen will turn off after the 15 seconds are done. So it's up to you to decide if you want to leave that on or off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.